Dubai chocolate inspired mini loaf cake. So I'm going to bake the chocolate cake base first. I'm going to melt the chocolate. It's so important never to burn your chocolate. So put it on, melt the chocolate, not all the way, take it off, give it a good stir when you still have the pieces in. Stir, stir, and voila. Now, onto the butter, give it a good whisk, add the sugar, and you're going to cream it. Wipe down the sides. And because my butter was too cold, I used a blowtorch to slightly warm it up. I need it to be room temperature, around 20 degrees. I actually test it, and you've got 21. Perfect. So, onto the eggs. Add your eggs in 3 inclusions. I'm going to show you a little trick. Now you'll watch what I'm going to do. I'm using the spatula to clean my bowl, which is what most of us do. But now, watch this part. People always complain, oh, it's so annoying, my whisk or my paddle doesn't reach the bottom. Well, just flip it up, get your whisk, and clean. Now I've added the chocolate, the melted chocolate. All done, you see, no spatula. And I'm going to sieve the flour into the chocolate mixture. And with the spatula, I'm going to gently fold the flour. I like to be very clean when I pipe my cakes into the mini loaf tins. So I use a piping bag. I don't spoon it in, and this is a thick mixture. So that's how I fill a piping bag. And again, I like things to be neat. Press the batter down with the pastry scraper, twist, and let's go. I like consistent and even baked cakes, so I weigh the batter into the tins, and there you go. And I've baked it with a spoon in the oven door. Now I'm making the clarified butter, and this is going to be mixed in the Kataifi pastry. This was a nightmare to pull apart, so I got the scissors, cut it, pulled it. You've got to do a little bit of work to get it to separate. But once it's done, add the clarified butter or ghee. Give it a toss, but this gets messy. This doesn't work like this. Get your hands and massage it and split it apart. And I decided to bake it between 2 baking trays. This is so it would be super crispy. There you go. Into the oven, and it's crispy. Hear that? Crispy, crispy. Add your pistachio paste, and now we're going to build the cake. Cake, pistachio cream. Spread it. I just wanted more pistachio flavor. And then we're going to add the Ganache. Spread that. And now for the chocolate ganache. I've warmed up my cream and glucose, poured it over my chocolate, and let's get ganaching. Mix, mix, mix. Now I've added my butter, immersion blended it, and it's time to pipe. Look at that glossy ganache. Fabulous, fabulous. You can use any kind of nozzle. I use that little star nozzle. And on for some toasted pistachios. And there you have it. My mini loaf cake, Dubai chocolate inspired.